In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Salesforce. First, you'll decide which integration platform to use. Popular choices are Zapier, Make, and Workato. Each one offers a slightly different balance of simplicity and power. If you want a quick setup with lots of pre-built connectors, Zapier is a solid choice. If you need more advanced routing or data transformation, Make or Workato might be better. Take a moment to consider how complex your business logic is, how many records you'll move, and whether you prefer a visual builder or a guided setup. That decision will shape the rest of the process. Once you've picked a platform, create a new scenario, Zap or Recipe. This is the container for the integration workflow. The platform will guide you to choose which app triggers the flow and which app performs the action. For example, you can choose Salesforce as the trigger when something happens there. Or you can choose Stripe as the trigger when a payment event occurs. Think about which system should lead the process based on where the source of truth lives and how real-time you need the sync to be. Next, select Salesforce as either your trigger app or your action app. A common trigger might be New Opportunity Created, which fires when a salesperson logs a potential deal. Alternatively, you might have Salesforce act as the action that records Stripe events into your CRM. Then select Stripe as the corresponding action or trigger app. A typical Stripe event is New Payment Received, which you can use to update Salesforce records or create matching transactions. After selecting the apps, map the fields between Salesforce and Stripe. This is where accuracy matters. Map the opportunity amount to the Stripe price or amount field, and map the contact email in Salesforce to the Stripe customer email. Make sure the data types align. For example, currency fields versus text fields, and include any required identifiers. If your platform supports data transformation, use simple formatting steps to convert currencies or normalize phone numbers before they land in the other system. Before you go live, test the workflow thoroughly. Use sample records or a sandbox environment if available. Trigger the workflow with example data and watch the logs to confirm that each step runs successfully and that the mapped fields appear as expected. Look for common issues like missing required fields or mismatched formats. Finally, activate the workflow. Once active, monitor it during the first few days to ensure reliability and handle any errors. With the right platform selection, careful mapping, and proper testing, you'll have a smooth integration that keeps Salesforce and Stripe synchronized and your teams working from the same data.